Hello viewers, welcome to Bhadra IAS online for the Nagaland Civil Services, right? So we are bringing courses for the Nagaland Public Service Commission, that is the NPSC program, and you can see our contact number also where you can contact us for further details about the course structure, fees and other details, answer your queries, right? So in this video we are going to see some insight about the NPSC examination, and we will see from the field of science, right? So in science we'll take up the topic of subsonic, supersonic and hypersonic speeds, right? So what is exactly subsonic speed, supersonic speed and hypersonic speed, as it was asked in the NPSC examination 2024, right? So therefore if we see, so basically we'll begin with the speed of sound, right? So we can see here that the speed of sound in the air medium is calculated as 343 meters per second at a temperature of, that is room temperature, 20 degrees Celsius, right? So therefore we can say that the speed of sound will be affected by two things, that is the temperature of the medium, right, and the density of the medium. As we already know that the sound needs a medium to travel. It is not just like light where it does not require any medium to travel. Light can travel in vacuum also, in space also, but the sound requires a medium to travel, right? And therefore the medium properties are also very important, that is the temperature and the density of the medium, because through vibrations you can see the sound is actually traveling, right? So this is the just diagram of the wave, sound wave that is traveling, but exactly it is traveling like this through vibrations, right? So therefore the temperature, because temperature and density will affect the speed of the sound. So in normal case we can say that it is 343 meters per second, that is the calculated speed of the sound, right? Also now we'll see the next concept, that is Mach. So what is basically Mach number? So Mach is basically a ratio of the speed of the body to the ratio of the speed of the surrounding sound in the surrounding medium, right? So it means that Mach is basically speed of the object in the respective medium, obviously, and the speed of the sound in the respective medium. So the speed of the object and the sound, since we have already calculated that the speed of sound is 343, and suppose, right, if the object is also traveling at the speed of sound, but same speed of sound, so then what will happen? Then we will have 343 by 343, that will cancel out and we will get the number that is Mach 1, and Mach 1 is basically known as speed of sound, right? Or else we can say it as, sonic. Okay, so by this now we can categorize. So what we can categorize? Different types of speeds, right? So here we can see, since Mach 1 is the speed of sound, so below Mach 1, that is, again we can take a margin of less than 0.8 Mach, that will be known as subsonic speed, right? That is less than the speed of sound. From 0.8 Mach to 1.2 Mach, we can say that it is almost close to the speed of sound, so that is known as transonic sound, because it is from subsonic, it is going to supersonic, so transonic sound. Also here, if the speed is greater than 1 Mach to 5 Mach, right, so then it will be treated as supersonic sound speed, right? And the last is greater than Mach 5, so then the speed will become hypersonic speed. And these are very important for our missile systems and other systems, right? So therefore we can see that it is of great importance. Now if we see, so why we are discussing this, because in 2024 NPSC PYQ, you can see that this question was asked regarding the speed of the sound. So therefore we have discussed the topic of speeds. So here the question we can see in 2024, a speed that is 5 times faster than the speed of sound or even faster is called as ultrasonic sound, infrasonic sound, supersonic sound or hypersonic sound, right? So you can answer it out. So let's analyze this. Ultrasonic sound, just now we have seen that it is less than 0.8 Mach, right? So it is saying, asking us that is 5 times, that is Mach 5. Similarly if we say, so infrasonic sound is basically the sound that is below the human capacity, that is human capacity is minimum capacity is 20 Hertz, so below 20 Hertz ka sound is known as infrasonic sound. Supersonic sound, we can see that 1 to Mach 5, that is below 5 Mach, it is supersonic sound, and hypersonic sound is greater than Mach 5, right? So obviously the right answer would be hypersonic, because it is speed that is 5 times faster than the speed of sound or even faster, right? So therefore the right answer will be D. Okay, so similarly we can categorize sounds in different zones where infrasonic, subsonic, supersonic, hypersonic and ultrasonic sounds are there. Okay, so this was all the discussion about different speeds regarding respect to the sound. I hope that you have understood the topic, right? So we'll bring similar videos for you, more and more videos. Be with us. Thank you so much.